Narrator's voice is warm and inviting. Hello, beautiful souls! Ready to turn your garden into a buzzing, fluttering paradise? Let's kick things off with a little inspiration from the Bible. Because why not? Isaiah 35:1 says, "The wilderness and the solitary place shall be glad for them, and the desert shall rejoice and blossom as the rose." Even the desert wants to join the garden party. Isn't that a beautiful vision? Now let's make it a reality. Today, I want to share with you an amazing way to bring life and joy to your garden. And maybe a little bit of magic too. Imagine your garden buzzing with bees, fluttering with butterflies, and visited by dazzling hummingbirds. It's like a Disney movie, but in your backyard. Sounds like a paradise, right? Well, it's possible. And you don't even need a magic wand. All you need is a wonderful plant called hummingbird mint or agastache. Fancy name, fabulous results. Hummingbird mint is a true gem in the gardening world. And it's not even trying to be modest. It's not just a feast for the eyes, but also a magnet for beneficial pollinators. It's like the VIP section for bees and butterflies. Picture this: vibrant spikes of flowers in shades of purple, pink, and blue swaying in the breeze. And guess what? Hummingbirds absolutely adore them. They're like the rock stars of the garden. These tiny, iridescent birds will make regular visits, adding a touch of magic to your garden. And maybe a little bit of sparkle too. But it's not just about the hummingbirds. Oh no, we're not done yet. Bees and butterflies also find hummingbird mint irresistible. It's like the ultimate garden buffet. By planting this lovely herb, you're creating a haven for these essential pollinators. And trust me, they'll thank you for it. And you know what that means? More pollinators, more plants, more garden glory. A healthier, more productive garden. It's like having a green thumb on steroids. Hummingbird mint is also a dream to grow. Seriously, it's like the plant that keeps on giving. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it perfect for most gardens. Even the ones that think they're too cool for school. Plus, it's drought-tolerant and deer-resistant. Talk about low maintenance. It's like the superhero of plants. And don't worry if you're short on space, it fits beautifully in containers too. Tiny garden? No problem. Now let's talk about planting. Time to get our hands dirty. Start by choosing a sunny spot in your garden. The sun is your plant's best friend. Prepare the soil by mixing in some compost to give your plants a nutritious start. Think of it as a breakfast smoothie for your plants. Plant them about 18 inches apart to give them room to grow. No one likes a crowded garden party, and remember to water them well until they're established. Easy peasy, right? Even your plants need a drink. Once your hummingbird mint is growing, you'll be rewarded with a long blooming season from summer to fall. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. And here's a little tip, deadhead, the spent flowers to encourage even more blooms. It's like giving your plants a little pep talk. You'll have a garden that's bursting with color and life for months on end. Your neighbors will be green with envy. So, are you ready to transform your garden into a pollinator paradise? Let's do this. With Hummingbird Mint, you're not just planting flowers, you're planting joy, life, and beauty. And maybe a little bit of garden magic. Remember, every garden is a sanctuary, a place where you can connect with nature and find peace. And maybe a little bit of Zen. Let's make our gardens bloom and flourish together. Happy gardening, everyone! And may your thumbs always be green. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening inspirations. See you next time. And remember, keep calm and garden on.